Hey everyone, welcome to Students World. Today's topic is structure of the human eye. Oh, what happened? You see a black screen. Okay, so that's what happens when you do not have an eye. So, eyes is extremely important organ. It is a sense organ. How we understand that how an eye works. The light falls on an object and the object is seen from our eyes. The image that you see is the external structure of an eye. This is how we see an eye, right? Which contains of sclera, iris, eyelids and pupil. Eyelids is an external protective layer of the eyes. The following diagram is done by me, which takes around 3-4 minutes to do it. So if you want to do it quickly in your exam, I will be creating a short, so do comment down below. So now let's see the internal structure of the eye. The first one which you need to write in your exam is the sclerotic coat. So it is you can write it as it is a dense tissue which is visible to the outer portion. In short, the white portion that you see in the eyes from the external is your sclerotic coat. Write in the exam and mark is the cornea. The cornea covers iris and pupil. The refraction of light is the main function, means it is through cornea where refraction of light takes place. Iris. Iris is a colored portion that is visible externally, and the main function of the iris is the adjustment of the size of the pupil. What you can mark is pupil, which acts like a camera. It allows you to enter the light and it gets focused on the retina. And the next one is the lens. Lens is like a transparent lens of the eye, like the one you have in a camera. The similar function it does for the eyes. The cornea along with the lens helps in the refraction of light. Detailed answer to write it in your board exam or any other exam, do comment down below and I will provide you with that also in the description. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like my content, do subscribe, like and share it with your friends.